Panoramas are something that we all like, but we cannot publish the panorama on Instagram as we want to show it. The images that you're seeing right now are some of the panoramas that have been clicked throughout the world, and there is a way to show the entire panorama on your Instagram page. We are going to show you how you can do that, and it will take you nothing but an application. These images have been edited in that application, and that application is just a few clicks away, and I'm going to show you how you can make such panoramas come to life on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, first things first, go to Google Play Store, type Pannify, P-A-N-N-I-F-Y. This is the application we are going to use. Install it and then open it. Once you have opened the application, you click on this button and select the image that you want to edit. Go to your gallery and select the panorama that you want to edit. Okay, once you have selected your image, you are now in the edit mode. You can move around within this box. That will make sure that how many number of images you are going to get after cropping it up. Don't worry about the cropping feature. It's not going to look like your cropped image. The numbers will show how many images it will crop this particular panorama into. There are other options. This is the scroll bar. You can also move through the scroll bar to actually drag and adjust your image. Then there is this tilt scroll bar. When you select this, you can tilt your image. Whenever you find any suitable position within this box, you click on save, and this is how you save these pictures in your gallery. So once you save them, you just have to open your Instagram. So we'll go ahead and open the Instagram. You click on this add button. You select all the images. You have to select the multiple pictures option where you publish multiple pictures at one time. You select the exact position of the cropped picture so that it should look like panorama. Once you are into the edited zone, once you are in your gallery and you have published them, this is how it should look like. So you can just adjust and see whether you have selected the correct images and whether the indexing of the images is correct. Once you are sure, you go ahead, type whatever you want to write about it. Once you are good with the caption, tag the people you want to tag people into this picture, share it on your Facebook, whatever you want to do, you are good to go. So this is the only application that you are going to use right now. So let me take you to my gallery now, and I will show you how this panorama looks like. Now see, I'm scrolling it slowly and there is no crop lines coming up. This is how you can edit it. That's about it. One simple application. Go ahead and make some magic out of your photos. Alright, that's about it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do share and subscribe to the channel The Photo Freak. We'll be back with some more exciting videos for you.